It says here is the uncomfortable truth. Rereading something until it feels familiar is not the same as knowing it. When you reread your notes, your brain recognizes the material. It thinks, yes, I've seen this before. I recognize it. It says that recognition feels like understanding. But in an exam, recognition is not enough. You need to retrieve the information, to pull it out of your memory with nothing in front of you. Recognition and retrieval are fundamentally different brain processes. So the idea that I'm sitting at my book, sitting in front of my books, and I'm at it, I'm studying because I'm rereading and I'm repeating the knowledge on the page, and I'm reading and I'm summarizing. Unfortunately, guys and girls, that doesn't work. It will not get you your marks. You'll do okay, but you're not going to get that distinction that you want. Why not? Because you didn't test yourself. And I think the percentage that I quoted in another video was 30% is reading, 70% is recall, where you have to check, you test yourself, where you don't summarize and read anymore. That's 3 out of 10 minutes. 7 out of the 10 minutes should be testing yourself and checking whether you can reproduce the knowledge without looking.